Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's get into these cement DIYs. First, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful cement freeform bowl. Take a bowl and cover it with plastic. Next, place the bowl on top of a tin or something to keep it elevated. Now brush the cement onto the plastic wrap. Let the first coat dry and then apply a second coat. Let that coat dry and then add the third coat. Very gently undo the mold. And at this point, if you're enjoying the video, I'd really appreciate if you could subscribe and encourage me to give you more free content. Now let's make some square candle holders out of cement. Use 2 small boxes. Fill each box halfway with cement. While the cement is still wet, place the tin candle holders. Once the cement is dry, gently unmold. Lightly sand the candle holders with sandpaper. Now let's make a variation, cylinder candle holders. The entire process is the same, only this time we're using a chip carton.